Sobrang daming teaser na nilalabas ni Poco. And ang kita natin na lalabas na pala si Poco X7 and si Poco X7 Pro this coming January 9. In this video, pag-usapan natin the specs na alam ko para dito sa dalawang device na ito. Plus, hinginin natin ang comment ni Sir Janus later towards this video para dito sa series na ito. So hang in there. Last year si Poco X6, sobrang ganda ng kanyang sales. I was able to recommend tong Poco X6 Pro sa inyo dahil ang ganda ng device na ito. Price is really friendly, the performance is really great. Gusto lang natin pag-usapan this time around ang magiging performance ni Poco X7 Pro plus yung expectations natin. Now, some of the few things na alam natin is that this will come together with a all-new na MediaTek Dimensity 8400 para dito sa Poco X7 Pro. Knowing that this is going to be a really good device, alam naman natin ang performance ni 8300 Ultra and it was really good. It was able to give you a really good, satisfying experience sa gaming back then sa Poco X6 Pro. Dito sa 8400 Ultra, ang expectation ko, it would give you a more seamless experience. Lalo sa mga heavier games like sila Genshin Impact, sila Wuthering Waves, siguro mas masasagad mo konti ang kanyang graphics this time around. Siyempre, don't expect na kaya naman mag-perform like the 9400, pero I'm pretty sure na talagang masasagad mo siya as a mid-range gaming device. Probably ito si Poco X7 Pro, feel ko magiging mid-range king ulit siya for 2025 based sa spec sheet na nababasa natin. Now, hindi lang processor in-upgrade na dito, pati ang kanyang battery. Pinalaki niya ng husto, 6,000 mAh ang kanyang battery. Plus, support din niya 90 watts na hypercharge. Noong si X6 Pro, meron siya 5,000 mAh sa battery and ang kanyang fastest na charging speed is 67 watts. For me, it's really great na rin, 67 watts. But if you give me a 90 watts na fast charging break dito sa mid-range category, I would definitely be happy. Bakit? Dahil for somebody like me, always on the go, talagang importante sa akin na meron akong fast charging device. Yung tipo mag-charge mo ang phone mo for halos 30 minutes, almost full na yung phone. Hindi lang fast charging. Gusto ko rin yung phone na kaya magtagal sa akin ng one whole day. Ang 6,000 mAh na battery, for me, plus 1,000 mAh can last you for around plus 2 to 3 hours on a daily basis. Lalo kung medyo heavy user ka, it gives you the extra mileage pagdating sa battery. Siguro kung hindi ka nga heavy user, you might even stretch it to 2 days. Pero kung heavy user ka, I'm pretty sure na 6,000 would mean a lot para sa'yo. Ito, good news na gusto ko i-share sa inyo. This is probably going to be the first Poco phone na i-release this year that ships together with the Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0. Marami sa inyo nagtatanong sa akin last year kung kailan lalabas ang HyperOS 2.0 mga updates para sa mga older device. Naman check sa Poco community para makita nyo yung updates. Pero so far, ito lang alam ko, first na lalabas with the HyperOS 2.0. So there's some revamp dito sa kanya, medyo gumanda ka ng customization, there's some tweaks here and there, malalaman din natin yan sa aking full review nito phone na ito. And another thing na alam ko rin sa X7 Pro is that this one would come with the Sony IMX882. Last year sa X6 Pro, maganda ng kanyang imaging. I would say na not so bad ang mga pictures na nakukuha ko sa X6 Pro. But this time around, nag-step up si Poco dito sa X7 Pro, giving you a IMX882 from Sony na sensor. This one gives you 65% more light intake, so meaning better performance sa pagdating sa low light. Plus, ito ang good news. May OIS and may EIS ang stabilization. So, be it sa photo or video, mas stable na makaka-capture mo dito sa kanya. So, if you're the type of person like me na tamad magdala ng gimbal, just using your bare hand to take some video, lalo pang vlog, talagang maging panalo itong feature na ito. Itong OIS plus EIS na stabilization para sa inyong bagong Poco X7 Pro. And did you know guys na may collaboration si Poco with Marvel? Itong phone na ito, si Poco X7 Pro, meron siyang collaboration with Iron Man. I'm pretty sure marami sa inyo may gusto kay Iron Man and I'm really excited na makita tong actual na device na ito, si Poco X7 Pro na Iron Man Edition. Gagawan ko ng full review yan once na nakuha ko ang aking Poco X7 Pro na Iron Man Edition. And also guys, mamimigay ako isang limited edition na Iron Man figure dito sa video na ito. So panoorin itong video na ito till the end. But ngayon guys, tatanungin natin ang opinion ni Sir Janus ng Pinoy Tech Dad para sa kanyang take sa Poco X7 na base variant. Insert Sir Janus.
Okay, so para sa Poco X7, kung mapapanood niyo yung full review natin dun sa channel ko, ang sinabi ko dito is that swabe lang. So, swabing user experience ito and I'm expecting na under 15,000 pesos yung presyo nito at pag nagkataon na nandun yung presyo niya, This is a really good mid-range device. Meron tayong 4K 30 FPS na video recording and naka Sony IMX882 yung sensor niya. So solid overall yung camera capability nitong Poco X7. And I would say na medyo mas consistent siya kumpara dun sa Poco X6 na nasubukan ko last year. And I'm gonna be honest guys na medyo na-overlook ko rin talaga yung Poco X6 sa mga recommendations ko last year. But this time around, most likely isasali ko to sa mga phone recommendations ko dahil nga sa napaka-swabe na user experience ko with the Poco X7. But I'm really sorry guys na medyo patikim lang talaga yung pwede kong maibigay sa inyo dahil meron pa tayong full review na paparating sa Poco X7 and ayoko munang i-spoil para sa inyo. But just to give you an idea, very satisfied ako sa performance and sa overall feel ng Poco X7. So abangan nyo po yung full review natin sa Pinoy Tech Dad and thank you Sir Richmond for guesting me dito sa video mo.
Yung nga pala Sir Janus para sa inyo take dito sa Poco X7. So ngayon guys, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung paano nyo mapapanulunan tong Iron Man na special edition na figure dito sa aking channel. Very easy lang yan. Just go on to the comment section. Let me know kung anong specs ang nagustuhan mo dito sa bagong Poco X7 Pro. Together with the hashtag Poco X7 Pro and Poco Iron Man, yun ang dalawang hashtag na kailangan nyo ilagay sa inyong comments to be eligible to participate dito sa contest na ito. Inidodraw natin ang winner via random comment picker after 2 weeks. So I hope guys nagkaroon ka ng excitement dito sa bagong Poco X7 series and I'm really looking forward dito sa Poco X7 Pro na Iron Man Edition. Kaya guys, which phone are you looking forward to? Hit me on the comments, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. Any sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.